In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to increase Wise transfer limit. We'll walk through a simple, reliable way to raise what you can send by using a Wise business profile, and I'll explain what you're seeing on each screen so nothing feels confusing. First, open your browser and go to wise.com. Make sure you're on the official site and that your connection is secure. Once you're in your account, look toward the top right corner of the page. That's where you'll find your profile menu, which is the hub for all your key settings and account types. Click on Profile in the top right. This menu is where Wise lets you manage your personal profile, documents, preferences, and importantly, different profiles under the same login. Next, choose the option to open a business account. This creates a business profile alongside your personal one within the same login, so you won't need to juggle separate usernames. Business profiles generally come with higher sending capacities because they're designed for larger, more frequent payments. You'll be asked for standard business details, and depending on your location and activity, Wise may request some verification. Keep your information accurate and consistent with official records to avoid review delays. After creating the business account, switch into that new profile if you're not already there. You'll usually see a clear toggle or label showing whether you're in your personal or business view. Being in the correct profile is important because limits are specific to each profile type. Now find and click Limits. This is typically located in your account or settings area. The Limits page gives you a clear snapshot of what you can send, spend, and withdraw, and it's the best place to confirm any changes. Then click your spending limits. Don't let the wording throw you off. This section also surfaces your transfer limits and other caps. If you have multiple currencies set up, check the currency you plan to use since limits can differ by currency and destination. As you can see, your transfer limit should now be increased under the business profile compared to a personal profile. The exact amount can vary based on your country, the currencies involved, your verification status, and Wise's risk controls. If the number doesn't update right away, give it a moment or revisit after any requested checks are completed. A quick tip: plan ahead for larger payments, review limits before you initiate the transfer, and avoid last-minute rushes so there's time to address any prompts. That's it. By opening a business profile and reviewing your limits in the right place, you'll be set up to move higher amounts with confidence.